Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create full body collectible images on Leonardo AI. So if you've seen some videos, you see that you can actually generate full body collectible figures with AI, and Leonardo can do that for you. So you can either generate your full body collectible AI prompt with ChatGPT, or you can just scroll through the community section on the website page and see if you would see. Yes, this is one. So this is what I mean by full body collectible action figure. So you can just click on it and we can see the very good and detailed prompts here. Why I like to use the community guide, the community page, is because there are people who have done very good jobs in detailing a prompt. So all you have to do is to just customize it and make it your own. Now this is a very good collectible action figure. So all you have to do is to copy either you copy the prompt or you remix it. Remixing it will take you directly to the page where you have to edit it to your specifications. Now if this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment below. Thank you and do have a great day.